Welcome back to Python programming. We'll continue with the collections. The first collection which we started working on is list, and where we have seen how to create a list, how to read the elements in a list, how to update and delete. So we'll continue with some operations. So first let us understand there are some built-in functions like max, minimum, length, and length already we have seen max, minimum, and then sum, right? We can find that average and all those things. And then we'll get into many other what you can call it as the list methods, and we'll try to cover in this particular video. So let's quickly head back to programming. So let me create this as list 11. So we'll see some of the built-in functions. So what are the built-in functions? We'll say max, minimum, and then sum, right? So these are the length already we have seen. Again, we will check this. So let me call marks again. So these are the marks scored by students in a test out of 25. So now let us try to find the maximum. So within no time we can say maximum is 35, right? Minimum. So what is the minimum score? 12. And what is the sum? We have to add all the things, all those things. And then length is the length of the element. In order to find the average, you have to say sum by length, right? So let us see these built-in functions. Print maximum marks. So it's max of marks. And then the minimum min of this, and then sum or total, and then the length. And if I want to calculate, do the average, there is no built-in function, we have to do sum by length. Right? This is how we can do it. So let's run this. See, you got the maximum, minimum, sum, length, and average. So no problems. So these are the some of the things. So now let us look at the other built-in functions